Hello, welcome back tuning into today's first video. We're doing 5-day forecast for today's first video, having a detailed look at weather next 5 days. Just some results later on. We will be doing BCC Wednesday, where we'll have a look at the next 40 days with the Bayesian Climate Centre. That's going to take us well into July. First day of summer, of course, today. Statistically, anyway, it's meteorologically questionable because you can get summer-like weather well before the 1st of June. You can get it well after the 1st of June, particularly in September. In fact, in terms of the averages, September is generally a slightly warmer month than June. So it's usually when you come to divvy up all the statistics. So at the end of the season, you have to have a set defined period, and summer is the 1st of June to the 31st of August as defined statistically. So first day of summer today, and it's a pretty grim start down in the south of the country and in the east as well, with northeasterly winds bringing in loads of cloud. We only get improvements, but they're going to be slow over the next few days. But by the weekend, I think we'll all be feeling significantly warmer. Weather again on 5-day forecast. Just say about the ads. There's links to articles on all the pages. Have a browse through widgets and click through the links if there's any articles that you're interested in, and thanks very much for doing that. There's video ads on most of the pages which own our content. When you watch them, they're closed back up again. Helps to pay for our website. Website for using for 5-day forecast coming from theweatherout.com and website.de, and you can find the link to both websites on the links page. So this is the radar picture from the Weather Outlook. And it's dry up in the north and the west, but we've got these showery bursts of rain, which are really left over from yesterday's rain across parts of central and eastern England, particularly through Lincolnshire, down into the Midlands, into some southwestern parts of England as well, and a little bit coming in towards East Anglia. A few vibrant colours out in the North Sea as well. I'm not sure if they've got lightning within them. No, they haven't, but a few vibrant colours there in the North Sea, and no doubt they'll be trundling in towards East Anglia during the course of this morning. So there could still be a few heavier bursts of rain actually today. Generally, it is more showery compared to yesterday, though. So this is today's atmospheric pressure chart. We've got high pressure blocking up to the north and west, with low pressure across central parts of Europe. There's the low pressure, there's the high pressure north and west. So we're bringing down this very cool and cloudy northeasterly wind across England and Wales. So west is best, definitely, for the weather today, with Scotland, Northern Ireland, much of Wales and parts of northwest England getting the best of the sunny spells and the warmest temperatures. We could easily be up to around 20-21 degrees across the west of Scotland and parts of Ireland today. That seems to be low 70s Fahrenheit. But further south and east into England, it's going to be a good deal cloudier today. Very dull, with strong and brisk northeasterly winds and showery bits and pieces of rain, and one or two of those could be quite heavy. Temperatures very, very cool in the southeast, just 13 or 14 degrees, and feeling really cold and miserable on that east coast. A real contrast in the weather from northwest to southeast today. Overnight tonight, interestingly, where we've got the highest temperatures and best sunshine today, is where we'll get the lowest temperatures tonight, because under clear skies, temperatures will go down to around 4 or 5 degrees across parts of Scotland and Ireland, whereas they'll hold up in double figures with all the cloud and the breeze continuing down across the south and the southeast, no lower around 10 or 11 across parts of eastern England tonight. Moving through into Thursday, and this area of high pressure is still out to the north and west, with the low pressure down to the southeast. I think it'll be a very similar day on Thursday to today, with the best of the sunshine up in the north and west, and much of England tend to be quite cloudy. I think there might be a little bit more in way of brightness coming through tomorrow, but still generally a lot of cloud for southern and eastern parts of the country in particular, and still generally very cool temperatures as well. 14 or 15, probably the best you can expect across much of eastern England, whereas Scotland and Northern Ireland was, I would suspect, it'll be a little bit cooler than recently. Even so, we'll still be up to around 17 or 18 degrees Celsius with a lot of dry weather. Now, we get through into Friday. We're just generating a little bit of a trough on Friday here to the east. So I think there'll generally be more cloud, particularly across Scotland and Northern Ireland. England and Wales still generally cloudy anyway. And a few more showery bursts of rain coming through, and those always more likely in the east and the northeast on Friday. Temperatures In the south, they'll be starting to lift up a little bit. Slightly warmer air will begin to move in off the continent. So perhaps it's around 16 or 17 degrees across some of the eastern parts of the country. But it'll be cooler in the north and the west with more in way of cloud. And then we move through into Saturday, and this is when things start to change. We'll begin to draw up warmer air from the south as this blocking starts to ease off a little bit to the north of the country. I think Saturday will probably start off with a fair amount of cloud again. Maybe even some misty patches around the coast. But expect more in way of sunshine to break through during the day. I think it'll brighten up. And that might spark off a few showers, though, down across the south. So 1 or 2 thundery showers possible in southern counties on Saturday afternoon. But temperatures will be warmer, finally starting to feel a little bit more like early summer, with temperatures perhaps rising to around 20 degrees across southern counties. 20 degrees is 68 in Fahrenheit. And then you can see what's happening as we go through into Sunday. Still high pressure to the north of the country, but the air is being drawn up now out of the continent. It's coming up from France, so it will be a lot warmer, I think, on Sunday, with fairly decent sunny spells, especially for central and northern parts. The south, again, always at risk of generating some heavy thundery showers on Sunday afternoon, but temperatures will be much warmer. We'll be up to around 24 or 25 degrees in the southeast, somewhere like London, might go to 77 Fahrenheit on Sunday afternoon. And then we end the 5-day forecast period, still drawing up this very warm southerly flow from France, with the high pressure out to the east and the northeast, with the low pressure to the west. So I would think there's going to be a fair amount of dry weather. Again, the best of the sunshine will be in the north, the south, particularly central southern parts of England and Wales, at risk of generating some cloud and possibly even thundery showers or thunderstorms on Monday afternoon. Temperatures go up to 25, possibly even 26 degrees. 26 degrees is getting very, very close to 80 Fahrenheit. So a big change again coming up over the weekend and into next week. After really cool conditions today and for the next day or so, we will find those temperatures really picking up as we go through into the weekend and the start of next week. Finally, having a look at the charts at the weather outlook over the next 5 days. So the best of sunshine being in the north and west today, with highest temperatures. Much of England, particularly central and eastern parts of England, will be cloudy and murky, with showery bits and pieces of rain coming and going as well. Quite a bit of cloud in the east again on Thursday, with best sunshine remaining in the north and the west. Friday, we could generate those showers, particularly in the east and the northeast of the country. Again, a lot of cloud through most parts of the country. Go through into the weekend, risk of some thundery showers in the south on Saturday, but the temperatures will start to lift up. It will start to turn warmer from the south and the east. Sunny looks very nice, still a risk of a few thundery showers in the south. Those temperatures really starting to pick up across much of the country into mid-20s Celsius, and then we finish up on Monday, still very warm, although there could be thundery showers down across southern parts of the country. Temperatures up into the mid-20s Celsius. So, in summary, we're starting June and summer on a very unseasonably cool, cloudy and damp note. Quite windy too. For the east of the country, it is warmer and drier in the north and west. We're going to keep it generally very cool in the south and the east through the rest of the working week, but into the weekend, temperatures will start to pick up significantly, becoming much warmer, and also risk a few thundery showers down in the south. That's all for now. We'll be looking at the next 40 days with the Beijing Climate Centre in today's second video. But I'll be with you later on this afternoon. But that's all for now, and thanks for watching.